Hey, handsome, that's a nice car.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Hey, what are you doing tonight?
I'm sorry.
All right, everyone, listen up. This car is headed to California. Prepare the transport truck and secure the vehicle properly. Careful, the rear axle looks rough.
Look at this rust. It's eating right through the hood.
And the frame damage. This is gonna be a major job.
This isn't just a simple fix. We're looking at a complete rebuild, maybe even a replacement.
How long will that take?
Are we sure we want to take this on? It's rough.
Look at it. We have to restore it. I've checked every supplier within 100 miles. The parts we need simply aren't available here.
We won't find the right parts here. If we want this car restored the way it deserves, we have to take it to an official Porsche workshop in California.
All right, everyone, listen up. This car is headed to California. Prepare the transport truck and secure the vehicle properly.
The diagnostic shows a pressure drop in cylinder 3.
Confirmed. The issue is localized right here.
Okay, let's replace the seal and retest the system.
Clear on this side and clear on the right.
Aligning to spec, proceed with the final descent.
Mounts are aligning. Clearance check on the turbo intake. Needs to come back a centimeter.
Okay, lowering now. That concludes the passenger side markings. Confirmed. The documentation is complete for this section.
Applying the GT Silver Metallic is a meticulous process, transforming the bare chassis into the iconic Porsche finish.
Carefully align the trim, and it needs to sit perfectly flush.
Understood. I've located the anchor points. Precision is critical here.
Hey, handsome, that's a nice car.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Hey, what are you doing tonight?
I'm sorry, I already have a girlfriend.